Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 12th of May, 2025. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.03. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a gain of 9.43%. This equates to an average return of 1.35% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 11.56% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 40.46% to negative 11.56%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 38.26%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between negative 59.48% and negative 27.76% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $43.81 and $78.11. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline: a very strong day for Advanced Micro Devices stock price on Monday. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price gained 5.14% on the last trading day, Monday, the 12th of May, 2025, rising from $102.83 to $108.12. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3.45%, with a low of $106.98 and a high of $110.67. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and has risen by 12.17% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 18 million more shares exchanged compared to the day before. In total, 50 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $5.36 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $187.28, while the lowest was $76.48. Currently, the price is 42.27% or $79.16 below the 52-week high and 52.43% or $119.18 below the all-time high on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $227.30. AMD is experiencing significant momentum, bolstered by strong first-quarter results, which showed a 46% year-over-year increase in gross profit, even amidst seasonal revenue declines. The company is poised for potential outperformance, particularly with its expansion into the artificial intelligence sector and the upcoming launches of the next-generation MI350 series graphics processing units. Analysts express optimism about AMD's stock, emphasizing its possible undervaluation, especially given the firm's 92% year-over-year surge in free cash flow, which is outpacing revenue growth. However, AMD faces challenges, including a forecasted weak second-quarter outlook due to an inventory write-off linked to the MI308 chip ban in China. Despite these headwinds, the overall sentiment remains positive, especially if U.S.-China trade relations improve. A favorable resolution could catalyze a rally, as AMD is projected to rebound in the fiscal year 2025, with continued growth from its gaming and embedded sectors. In the short term, the optimism surrounding AMD could lead to stock appreciation, particularly as it breaks through key resistance levels. In the long term, sustained demand for artificial intelligence technology and strategic product launches may significantly enhance its market position and drive further growth, establishing AMD as a formidable competitor in the semiconductor space. Such developments are likely to impact investor sentiment and could lead to a substantial increase in stock value, potentially doubling its valuation over the next 2 years. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 7th of May 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned AMD an outperform rating with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that UBS gave AMD a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of April 2025, Bank of America Securities rated AMD as a buy with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 16th of April 2025, Citigroup assigned AMD a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 27th of March 2025, Jefferies rated AMD as a hold with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Advanced Micro Devices stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is deemed neutral. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a rating of neutral. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. The chart presents mostly positive signals today. The stock for Advanced Micro Devices holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, offering a favorable forecast. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at levels of $101.56 and $96.97. A fall below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and to date, the stock has risen by 38.24%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 24 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 27 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 15 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 7 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 14 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 127 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $100.36 and $96.84. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Advanced Micro Devices finds support just below today's level at $100.36. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $96.84 and $83.64. This stock has average movements throughout the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.69 between its high and low, or 3.45%. Over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.72%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high PE ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 29th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 0.98. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Advanced Micro Devices stands at $110.84. If you do not own any shares, you may consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this might be a strategic point to contemplate for swing trading. On the downside, Advanced Micro Devices finds its first support level at $100.36. Should this support level hold, it could present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Advanced Micro Devices from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Papermaster Mark D., who bought and sold 70,000 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 15.651. In total, insiders purchased 993,364 shares and sold 1,414,783 shares during the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $104.62, representing a decline of 3.24%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, which translates to a medium level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 88, significantly elevating the risk involved. Additionally, there's a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 23 days ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the stock being in a falling trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 13th of May, we expect Advanced Micro Devices to open higher by approximately 469/10,000ths of a dollar, starting at $108.59. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.